Hi everyone, this is Anshika and I'm back with a new video, and I know that this video is going to be very interesting for you because this is about another campus ambassador program. And right now I'm a part of this program, but when I was not और मेरे को कुछ भी नहीं पता था इस program के बारे में, I used to search so much about it online, but I didn't find a single video on YouTube. So obviously I had to make it, I had to take the initiative because a lot of you guys are really interested in all of these campus ambassador programs, and I have already made a lot of videos earlier as well. If you haven't checked all of them out, the links will be in the description box and in the I button as well. Talking about Outsider, their collection is exactly same as NewMe. Like literally there's no difference in their collections, but campus ambassador programs के rules थोड़े से अलग है. So first of all, the deliverables. As a campus ambassador, you just need to create 2 reels, 1 static post and 3 to 4 Instagram stories per month. Your content should showcase the outfits that you picked in a very creative and very engaging way. Like you can do a styling video, a mini try on haul, or even a transition reel, whatever suits your vibe. And for the static post, it should be a well shot picture, and the stories can be casual, like anything like a picture of unboxing the package, like जो भी आपका package है, you can take the picture of that and post it as your story. Or it can even be behind the scenes of the shoot, or like outfit of the day stuff. It can be anything. Once you shoot the content, you have to share it with your POC for approval, and after that you can post that on your Instagram page. I'll tell you the whole process later in the video, so watch the video till the end. Now once you're selected, you will get 2500 in your wallet. This is not cash, this is store credit. You can use this for shopping. So basically it's like barter deal. आप इस 2500 से कुछ भी खरीद सकते हो उनके वेबसाइट से, and you have to give them content in exchange of that. So you don't have to spend anything from your pocket, and you get the clothes for free in exchange of some deliverables. And the collection, as I told you, is similar to NewMe, so it's like trendy and Gen Z coded. You can select anything of your choice, and they have a huge variety to choose from. They have tops, bottoms, dresses, cord sets, and much more. You can check out their website, and I think they have an app also. I'll give the link in the description box so you can check it out. Another thing that you get is a personalized coupon code, like something like your name 15. For example, mine is Anshika 15, and this is your unique code. You can share it with your friends, family, followers, or anyone that you know. And when someone uses your code while shopping, they will get a discounted price. Now this does 2 things. First of all, your followers will get a discounted price while shopping, and it also tracks your performance as a campus ambassador, like how many people are buying because of you. And I'm not sure, but you might also get some percentage as a commission as well. And if your code gets used often, the brand will notice, and it can open doors for extended collaborations, rewards, or even paid partnerships in the future. It's also a great way to feel more connected to the campaign, and personalized things are always so cool. Apart from these personalized codes, the brand also has their general coupon codes like out 100, new 200. You can use these while shopping and also share with your audience. Now I'll tell you the whole process of this campaign from the beginning, because many of you all are always really confused about this. So first of all you need to do is fill the form and wait and have some patience, because brands take time to select the creators. And मैंने जब fill किया था form, मेरे को भी around 1 month के बाद response आया था. So it's usually like that, उसमें time लगता है. And if you're selected, someone from their team will call you, and it's most likely the person who will be your team leader. And yeah, the team leaders are also known as super Zyders, and you as a campus ambassador will be known as Zyder. It's probably because of their brand name Outsider. So they'll call you and ask for confirmation, and after that they will add you to the WhatsApp group. इस WhatsApp group में आपको throughout the program सारी details मिलेंगी. Now before proceeding, you will have to sign a small agreement kind of a thing. Is just to know that you're serious about this program and you also understand the process. After you've signed it and sent it back to your supervisor, now they'll ask you for your outfit preferences on the WhatsApp group. Like they will ask you आप क्या लोगे with the 2500 that you'll get. For example, I want a top and a bottom, so I'll have to send the links of both the items on the WhatsApp group, and once that is approved, you will get 2500 in your wallet. I'll also show you how to use the store credits. Right now I don't have anything in my wallet because I've used all of it, but you will have 2500 in your wallet, so you don't have to pay anything from your pocket. The first step is to add the items in your cart like this, and then go to the payment section. After filling all the shipping details, go to the payment section and select redeem the store credits. The payment is made. Now you just have to wait for your parcel parcel, and once you receive it, you have to create the content according to the guidelines, and they send the guidelines in a PDF, so you have to shoot every content piece according to that. Then just send the content to your leader, and once they approve it, you can post it on your Instagram. And don't forget to send their official Instagram pages a collab invitation, and that's it. This is the process of the whole campaign. It might sound like a lot, but everything is organized step by step, and your group leader is also there to guide you through it, so you don't have to worry about it. There are a few more things that I want to tell you about this campaign. So the brand Outsider usually prefer outdoor shoots instead of indoor ones. उनको चाहिए कि आप indoor shoots avoid करो, और अगर आप कर भी रहे हो तो it should be well shot and it should be very aesthetic. Editing and all of that should be very nice. That's one thing. The next is that you get two delivery options. The first one is fast and the other one is standard. So basically the brand has two different type of product categories. One gets delivered within a week and the other one takes around 2 to 3 weeks to get delivered. So if you're in a hurry, you can go for the fast delivery products, but otherwise you can opt for the standard delivery. And I think the products that have standard delivery are imported internationally. That's why they take this much time. Also, this Campus Ambassador program runs for just 1 month, and it's kind of good for the people who don't want to commit for longer time. Or if you're just starting out as a content creator, you will get a great opportunity to work with such a nice brand and build a portfolio and also get some good experience. But there's one thing, if the brand really likes your content, your effort, your creativity, and how much reach you get, they might ask you to stay for a bit longer. It can be as a campus ambassador, or you can even become a supersider or the group leader. So yeah, even if it's short, it's definitely a great opportunity for you to grow as a content creator. For the form links of this campaign, check the description box, and yeah, don't forget to write my name Anshika Sundrani in the reference section if there is any. And if you have any more questions about this campaign, leave them in the comment section below and I'll be really happy to help. And that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to share it with your creative friends and also subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.